Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into MiningBlocks. That's right, the website that seemed to have disappeared and everybody gave up on for about a week is now back. We're going to be checking out what happened, and I've got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my MiningBlocks account, and I have to say, while all the trouble was going on, I personally was getting a little worried. I was checking out the updates. 1 minute they're saying, yeah, we're back. Next minute they're saying, okay, we're having to go to passive mode. Then it's like, okay, it's all working. Then it's like, no, it's not. And then we're going passive mode again. And I have to say, the longer it went on, you kind of start thinking, is it or isn't going to come back? But I have to say that huge respect to the developer and owner of the site, and I'm not sure if he has a team working with him, but kudos to you guys. You've got it back. I've been using the site today for about an hour, maybe just over an hour. I did go into the offer walls. I did the drip offers. They seem to go through fine. The PTC ads, I did the short links. Everything seemed to work fine. And, I've been able to do other things on the site as well. So a lot of you did have concerns and probably still have concerns because maybe you've not tried to actually get back into the site. Some of you, I know, have probably walked away because the thing is you get the doomsayers, and literally, on the first day a site goes down, that's it. A group of people throw their hands up in the air. Oh, it's all a scam. I've invested this into it. Now I've lost all my money, blah, 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 blah. And, in the past, programs have done that. But you can't label every single program the exact same way. You've got to give these people a chance. I mean, basically, MiningBlocks, what happened, for those of you that are unaware, is they had a severe DDoS attack. Now what this simply is that basically when either someone that has got a really, really big setup, so I'm talking about multiple PCs, possibly running on multiple VPNs, coming from, showing they're coming from multiple different locations. Basically what this does, or it can actually be a group of people, like a coordinated attack. And basically what they do is literally just send so much traffic that the site can't deal with it. And also as well, especially if it's malicious traffic, it's not just clicks. It could, it's coming from areas that are actually sending more than just clicks. So if it is like it's a malicious attack, and the thing is with sites like this, when they start getting a bit of traction and they start getting popular and lots of people start using them, they do become targets. So, in a sense, MiningBlocks have got to a point, a level, which they are catching the attention of these groups. And, that means that their site, or the site we are using, is growing. It's getting bigger, and it's getting to a point now where they're going to have to really start upping their security, because these attacks are probably going to start getting more regular. Because, like I say, they've caught the eyes now. They've caught the eyes of the sort of dark side of the internet, as it were. And they're going to start getting these attacks more often. So basically, if we look at some of the posts that were recently put out by MiningBlocks, so obviously a lot of the people, especially a particular shout out to Samantha Stockbridge. She was the first person that actually brought this to my attention, and basically saying that if you are getting a message saying that you have been blocked, don't worry about that we are working on to get back soon. Don't need to contact support. However, if you get this message when we announce that, you need to contact support. So basically, if you're still getting you are blocked after today, I mean, obviously it seems to be working fine now, but so basically what they're saying is, now obviously I'm releasing this video saying it's working fine, so if you're still getting that blocked issue, you might need to contact support. But like I say, Samantha Stockbridge, who is one of my Facebook subscribers and followers, she brought this to my attention. At the time I hadn't seen it, and all I was getting was the maintenance page. And then what I did was, because I wanted to check, I cleared the cache on my browser, and then suddenly I got that you have been blocked problem. And yeah, so like they're saying is, don't worry about it. It's basically, it's not just you. You've not lost your account. You've not done anything wrong, which is what Samantha's thoughts were, that she had done something wrong. Was there anything she could do to get around it, you know, and stuff like that. But like I say, it has affected everyone. So all I suggest, and what MiningBlocks suggests, is go and log into your accounts. If you're still getting that blocked problem, then drop them a contact support message. Okay, so this second one was basically, I found very interesting, and something I've just sort of talked about quickly is that it says here, some countries are sending malicious traffic to our website, such as USA, Russia, Indonesia, Ukraine, unknown entities, that could be freaking anywhere, Brazil, UK, and others. Basically, so like I say, this could have been a coordinated attack. These people that do this usually sort of have message boards or ways of contacting each other, sort of, you know, outside the usual realms of the internet. You know, that's how they keep anonymous and on the sort of down low, as it were. And they, you know, do all this and they work it all out in the background, and they go, right, okay, on this particular day, we're going to start doing this. And then basically we're just going to keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it until we either, you know, kill the site completely, or they figure a way around to stop us, which obviously at the moment it looks like MiningBlocks has managed to do the latter and stop them. But these people are relentless, and like I say, now that MiningBlocks has caught their attention, this stuff could start happening more regularly. So one of the other updates is they're basically saying that BitTaskWall, TaskWall and offers for crypto there was something wrong with them, but they've now been fixed. So obviously when you come into the site, you should be able to use those with absolutely no problem. But like I say, you know, don't, you know, if they do go down again, you know, don't think that, you know, that's it, that's the end. You know, they've already come back once. They probably, because of this, they probably would have put in extra security to stop it. But, you know, like I say, these groups, they are absolutely relentless and ruthless. If they pick a target, they're going to do their best to take it down. So it could happen again. So just be mindful of that. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about MiningBlocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that acts like a tutorial. It's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning some of these free coins. But if you go right to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so basically, obviously nothing really has changed within my account, but the amount of mega hash I've got. I forgot to actually look back. Normally I look back on my previous video to see where I was at, but I was fairly certain I've gained about 20 giga hash since my last video. I think it was around 360, 350 area. Might have been high 340s, but we're now at 387 giga hashes. We've moved a little bit on our levels. But other than that, there's not a lot going on. We did do, over the Christmas period, we did do a withdrawal, which if we just duck over to Faucet Pay, we can scroll down. For those of you guys as well that are still using Infinity Pro website, you can see here I've made a few withdrawals on the January the 8th and both on the 7th. Some Matic, some Fate and some TRX. I made some withdrawals there, and I made another Matic one here, which was January the 5th. And then I've made some more down here of Matic and USDT on mid-December. So here on the 25th of December, so that'd be Christmas Day for those of you that celebrate it, we received a 3.0 Matic there, and that was a withdrawal I'd done from MiningBlocks, as you can see right there. So it is paying. Obviously, we have had this bit of a hiccup, but hopefully now we can start moving forward again. People can get into their account, start building, leveling up, all that kind of stuff, looking to make those withdrawals. Now, as a final thing, as you guys know, that for my loyal people on MiningBlocks, for those of you that are members of my mining pool, normally when, like if for some weird reason I don't manage to get in here for a couple of days or something like that, I always keep a track of that, because as always, as I've done in the past, I always give daily rewards in my mining pool for those that are, loyal and stay in the mining pool. You guys get regular daily payouts, rewards. But with all this going on, I completely forgot to sort of keep track on how many days I've not been able to log in and how many days I've not been able to give that reward out. So because of that, I'm going to do a bit of a special for those of you that, are in my pool. So where are we currently in the listings? So we're in second place. We've got 536 members, and if we go up here, we can go to my pool, and then we can just click on admin, check the members. So Mickey Mouse is still at the top. This guy has been in my account in the mining pool for a number of months now. So, and most of these people, DBS 101, all of these are the old, the old clan, as it were, that have been literally in this mining pool of mine pretty much since I got this mining pool up and running. So that is why I always like to give these gifts out, because I really appreciate the fact that you stay with me, because you could go, there's numerous other mining pools out there that you guys could go to, but you always seem to stick around with me, and I do really appreciate that. So as a bit of a big thank you, and like I say, because I've lost track of the days, I'm going to give you a extra special gift today. So we're going to give block, but instead of the usual and probably what it should be, I'm just going to give you a straight 2 blocks. That's it, 2 blocks amongst all my members. So here we go, gift you out. There you go, that's been distributed to you. I have no idea what that's going to come to for you guys. Obviously, it's going to be probably a lot more than you would have received if I'd done that on a day-to-day basis and given you what I normally do. But like I say, because of what's gone on, people not being able to get into their accounts and all that kind of stuff, and because I lost track as well, it's my, I wanted to give you, just something a little extra. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer. I just wanted to go over that to basically quell your fears and make you understand what happened, why your accounts were blocked, and now that you should be able to log back in with no problem. But do remember, if from today and the site continues to work going forward, if your account is still showing blocked, just drop their support a quick message, explain what's going on to them in a polite email, and I'm sure they will fix it with absolutely no problem. Okay, so if you are interested in that earlier tutorial that I talked about, It's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, please, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.